Which of the following is not correctly matched? We are given with four complexes and their hybridization as well as the magnetic property. So the first complex is FeF6, 3 minus. Here iron is in +3 oxidation state. So the configuration expected is 3d5. So there are 5 electrons in the d orbitals, and fluorine being a weak ligand, this can't pair up the electrons. Because of this, the next sp3 and d2 orbitals are involved in the hybridization. So it's sp3d2 hybridization, and since there are unpaired electrons, this would be paramagnetic. The second option which we have here is FeCl4 2 minus. Iron is in +2 oxidation state, so the configuration is 3d6, and if we are going to fill up the electrons like this, we have 6 electrons here, and there are 4 chlorine ligands. So they are going to make use of 4 hybrid orbitals. That's 3 hybrid orbitals from here and 1 here. So it would be sp3 hybridization, and since there are unpaired electrons here, this would be paramagnetic. FeCN6, 3 minus. So the oxidation state of iron would be +3 as the first one, and here cyanide is a strong ligand. Unlike fluorine, it's a strong ligand. Hence, the electrons are paired up in the orbitals. So there are 5 d electrons like this, and then we have sp3 orbitals, s and p3. So it is d to sp3 hybridization, but still there is one unpaired electron, because of which it is paramagnetic. And the last option which we have here would be FeCO5. Iron is in 0 oxidation state, so the configuration is 3d6,4s2. And during the approachment of the ligand, all of the electrons get paired up. So 3d6 and 4s to 8 electrons. From 4s, the electrons are going to jump to d orbitals, and this is s and this is p3. So the hybridization here, carbonyl being a strong ligand, there are 5 ligands in total. So the hybridization is dsp3, and here there are no unpaired electrons, so this would be diamagnetic in nature. If you compare the answers here, first is paramagnetic sp3d2, right? Second one is sp3 and paramagnetic, correct. Third one is paramagnetic and d to sp3 is also right, and the fourth one, which is dsp3 and not sp3d. So the wrong answer, or which is not correctly matched, is option D.